Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is going to be me trying out my subscribers' lipstick recommendations. So I asked you guys on my community tab, let me know your favorite shades or favorite lipstick range, all in the affordable category. So you guys gave me a bunch of options. So I picked out the ones that were majorly recommended, majority wins, and some that I was like, okay, this is something that I haven't heard of, let me try this on. So those are the kind of lipsticks I'm going to be talking about today. In today's video, we just have lip crayons, but I'm going to be doing a part 2 of this as well. I have a couple of liquid lipsticks and I am expecting a little more to come in the mail. So yeah, and I don't want this video to be too long, so let's get started. The first one we're going to be talking about is the Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayon in the shade Brandy Harrington. I was putting off buying this for the longest time because I do have quite a lot of lip crayons from Sugar itself and then quite a lot of lipsticks in general. So I kind of try to do this where I try to avoid buying the same products, like the same range of products from a brand. Like if I already have the Matte as Hell lip crayon, I already know how that particular product works, so I try to try out something different. But this particular shade in Brandy Harrington was recommended so much, and excuse my hands, okay, I've been swatching lipsticks all day today. So yeah, and also if my lips look a little haphazard, it's because of that I have swatched too many today and they are a little bit in agony. So this shade is said to be very similar to Nykaa Jade Rose. I haven't done a comparison yet, but this is a nice shade as well. I don't find it to be as red as Nykaa Jade Rose, but it does have a lot of mauve undertones to it, and it's a very beautiful wearable nude shade for people with deeper skin tones as well. Like you can wear this without makeup. You guys will be like, what nude is this? Is not nude. Not a lot of us like to wear pale nude shades, especially without makeup, because it washes you out. With makeup you can pull off anything pretty much, but without makeup, these kind of shades will not pull you down, pull the look down, so you can wear this on a daily basis. You guys know the formula of Sugar lip crayons, they're amazing. Another one from Sugar, again, the Matte as Hell lip crayon. This one is in the shade Jackie Brown. So this one was quite surprising. I just expected it to be a brown shade, but this is very hard to explain. It's like an orange shade with a little bit of brown to it, a little bit of like earthy undertones to it. It's a very different shade in my opinion. Maybe if I do look out in my collection, like literally sit and swatch, I might find something very similar, but this is a really nice shade to own. And I found it to be a little bit bright for me, but you can wear this without makeup. That's a good thing, and it's a nice shade in general. I have quite a lot of Sugar lip products. I think there's no surprise in that. Sugar makes really good lip products, so nothing to be so surprised about. And the next one I'm going to be talking about, I'm pretty familiar with the formula. This one is the Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer Waterproof Lipstick. This one is in the shade Choco Bar. So this recommendation has been doing rounds in my comment section. In any video of mine, there are a lot of people who asked me to try this particular shade, and this was the absolute perfect time to try it out. It's a brown shade with, yeah, it's just, I was going to explain a little bit more. I feel like it is sort of like a mix of a warm tone and a cool tone brown. I can't really bring my thoughts together. So a very nice shade, and I could see a lot of people love this. I feel like without makeup, it might look a little bit dull. So mostly with brown shades, with different undertones, warm or cool, I don't really like to go about it without makeup. I like to have a little bit of makeup on, like a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, around my mouth, a little bit of mascara, because it's a brown shade, right? And it can kind of amplify the hyperpigmentation on your face, especially around your mouth, and make your dark circles seem a lot more prominent. I have observed that with brown shades. So with brown shades, I need makeup. And then from Swiss Beauty, again, I tried out this shade, which was super popular on my channel and it still is. Every single video about lipsticks, a lot of people ask me to try out this particular shade in bronze, which I am so happy that I actually finally got my hands on this. It's what I have on my lips right now as well, but I will insert a lip swatch as well, because if I'm talking like this, I don't think you can see. But what a beautiful shade. I thought it's very similar to Mauve Taupe, but not at all. Mauve Taupe is a little bit more mauve, like subtle. This one has a little bit more plum undertones to it, a little bit deeper, and has brown undertones to it as well. Like, it's a beautiful shade. I really like how it looks, and it's kind of dark as well on the lips. So Again, I found something that I can wear without makeup. Even though it has a little bit of brown undertones to it, it's not a plain brown shade. So I would still wear this without makeup. I love how it looks. I like the formula of the Swiss Beauty non-transfer waterproof lipstick. They are very creamy and they are pretty long lasting. And they don't look like a creamy matte lipstick on your lips, but they don't tug and pull on your lips as well. And they go on creamy, that's what I meant. And they are pretty long lasting as well. Now, if you ask me the lasting power of this or Mars lipstick, I feel like the Mars non-transfer waterproof lipstick is a little bit more long lasting, and a full swatch video of those are coming up on my channel. I actually sat down today and swatched about 14 shades from that, and that's the reason my lips are actually on fire, because that is super hard to even remove from your lips. It's a little bit more long lasting than this, and if that video is already up, I will link it right here. But I really like this one as well. It's a really nice formula. Both of this like go hand in hand, but that one is a little bit more long wearing. And then the next shade that I swatched is from Sugar. This one is their Nothing Else Matter long wearing lipstick. So I didn't really try out any particular shade from this range. I'm not very sure why. I have tried quite a few different ranges from Sugar, but this one I haven't tried out. And I found it to be a little bit similar to their About Time Vivid lipstick. I don't think you can find that anymore, but I found this one to be pretty similar, but that one is a little bit more rigid and this one is a little bit more smooth. So the shade Browning Glory, I was so surprised at how nice it looks on the lips. So it's a nude shade, but it also has a little bit of warmth to it, which I really like, and it's more wearable for me as well. So I really like that. I like the pigmentation. I like how it looks. You guys have some really good recommendations for me, and throughout this video you'll see me loving everything, because everything is amazing. And wow, good job you guys, good job. It's so good, and I'm so happy I'm able to discover some really good products. The next shade that we have is Take Over. Again, a beautiful shade. Wow, it's like you read my mind. You know what I like, you're so sure what I like, and you recommended exactly what I need. So I love this. It's again very similar to the lipstick that I have right now, that is Swiss Beauty Bronze. It's again that, what do I call this? It's dusty burgundy mauve plum shade. Okay, I guess I mentioned every shade possible, but you know where I'm getting, right? It's very similar to this one. So I will swatch this one and Bronze side by side so that you can see that they are quite similar. Bronze is just a little bit deeper. So this one is Bronze and this is Take Over. They are super similar, just that I like the depth that Bronze has, like the brownish deepness that it has, the brownish depth that it has. What is deepness? But Take Over, again, amazing. I can see this work for all skin tones. If you are lighter than me, of course it's going to look a little bit grungy, a little bit dark, but if you are of my skin tone or deeper, you're gonna love it. And then the next shade that was recommended to me is the Shambo Extreme Matte Long Wear Lip Color. This one is in the shade 08 Earthy Red. I'm telling you guys, you know by now. And this is like a deep red with a lot of brown undertones. You can call it however you want to. Beautiful on the lips, goes on super pigmented, creamy, but settles down to a comfortable matte finish. And I don't know why I have not tried out the Chambord lip crayon before, but it's very similar to the pigmentation of the Sugar lip crayons. It's very similar to the pigmentation of the Faces lip crayon. They are really pigmented. Like in the Sugar lip crayon, some shades might be here and there, like they are not as pigmented, but this one is really pigmented, but you have to sharpen this one. And then the last one I'm going to be talking about is this from Sugar as well. Ooh. This one is a Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick, but it's in a different packaging compared to this one. I think this was a limited edition range. I don't think you can find this anymore on the Sugar website at least. And this one is in the shade Simmer Brown 31. So this is actually a wearable orange brown shade. Wow, just wow. That's all. I'm going to stop at wow. And you guys will be like, okay, great. That's a great way to describe this shade now. Let us know what is the description of this. Yeah, it's an orange tone brown shade. Will look really nice on people who like to wear these kind of shades. I don't think this might be everybody's cup of tea. Some people can find it a little bit too bright. At least from the recommendations that I get asked for the most, or around the people around me, they like more like muted pink shades, muted mauvey toned nude shades. Not many people like these kind of shades, but I love it. I can wear anything. So this is how it looks, and oh, great, love, just amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am super happy with this video. If you can't already guess by my tone, I'm like so chirpy and happy. It's quite late at night, not that late, but it's 10 o'clock. I haven't had my dinner yet, but I'm so energetic and happy because it's lipsticks, and it's lipsticks that I have fallen in love with, and it's something that really worked for me. So I'm excited for this, and I'm excited for the part 2 as well, which is coming up very soon. Stay tuned for that. Of course, it's not going to be in the same outfit because I'm going to be filming that on another day. Right now, I'm just going to go to bed. My back hurts. So yeah, let me know if there is something you want me to include in part 3 maybe. Let me know in the comment section down below if there's an absolute must-have lipstick shade that I should try out. Keep it affordable, guys, please. I don't want to spend a lot of money on lipsticks because you guys know I have so many lipsticks at this point, but it's content for me and people enjoy watching this. So as long as you enjoy watching this, I'm going to be doing this. The day people are like, done, enough with lipsticks, I'll stop. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I know I did take a break for a while because I was uploading back to back, but again, we're going back to our schedule, or maybe more videos again, and you're going to be seeing a lot of this face. And I'm so excited I was going to knock the mic over. Hit that notification bell.